Welcome back to another Printing Center USA tutorial. Today we're creating a calendar with Printing Center USA's free online design tool. So visit the website, find the design dropdown and click Online Design Tools, then click Custom Calendar. Choose some specifics for your calendar as well as one of the templates. And now you're ready to import your images. So select one of the images from your desktop by clicking Import Images and Add Photos. After they've uploaded, click Import. From here, you can drag and drop your image to your calendar. After you add your photos to the calendar, you can rearrange or resize the photos, add captions or special dates to make it unique. Once you've uploaded all your images, you can click Preview to view your calendar. And once you think it looks perfect, click Continue and leave the rest to us. With Printing Center USA, creating your own custom calendars is a breeze. Start designing your calendar today, and for more information and other amazing products, visit our website and follow us on social media. Thank you so much for watching, and happy printing!